Hello. On this video, we're going to see how to sketch the function y equals 1 divided by x as a parent function, and then transforming that graph using the graph down here. So on this one, we have y equals 1 divided by x plus 3, and then plus 4. So in order to sketch that graph, perhaps we can use the fact that we already know how to shift and transform this function, the quadratic. And if you recall, the quadratic, whatever's inside of the parentheses, that plus 3 means that the graph will be shifted 3 units to the left. And that 4 out there, the constant value, is gonna shift the graph 4 units, positive 4 units up. The same is gonna happen with this rational function. The graph is gonna be shifted 3 units to the left and 4 units up. So that's the only thing that you have to do. So let's select the translation tool, and you can click anywhere on the graph and you'll be able to move it around. So you're going to shift it 3 units to the left and 4 units up. And that would be basically it. But let's have a few considerations before finishing this example. Well, on this example, we have a 1 in the numerator. Let's say that we have a 2 instead. If you have a 2, the only thing that's going to change is the first point. In this case, the first point is 1 unit away from the horizontal asymptote, right there. If you happen to see a 2 as the numerator, the only thing that you need to do is shift that 1 unit up. So that means that the first coordinate is going to be 2 units away from the horizontal asymptote. And you can use the tool vertical stretch or compression, and it's going to show you where the first coordinate is. Right now is 1 unit away from the horizontal asymptote. You would have to just push it at 2 units away from the horizontal asymptote. Let's say that you have a 3 instead. So if you have a 3 right here, if you have a 3, would be the same thing. You would have to click on it, and the first coordinate would be 3 units away from the horizontal asymptote. So remember, if this is the position of the horizontal asymptote, that's 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. So this will tell you how far that first coordinate is from the horizontal asymptote. Now, finally, I'm going to get rid of all of it. And let's say that we have the same function, y equals 1 divided by x plus 3, and then plus 4. But we happen to see and come across a negative sign. So that means a reflection. So before doing anything else, you have to work with the reflection across the x-axis. So do not work with any translations, horizontal, vertical, before the reflection. Otherwise, you might end up with a bit of trouble. So let's start by reflecting the function. Once you have the reflection, now you proceed with the shifting. So you click anywhere, and that's 3 units to the left and 4 units up. So remember, reflection first, everything else later. And once you have the reflection, everything is pretty straightforward.